you lovely people, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, I'm Sonam Vaghani and I'm a professional celebrity and bridal makeup artist, and I'm based out of Mumbai. So today's video is gonna be the look that I created for Jennifer Winget for her character for Beyhadh, which was called Maya. So we created this look for her, which is very classy. The makeup is all neutral tones, and it basically accentuates the eyes and the lips without going overboard with anything. So yeah, that is the look that I'm going to create today, and if you want to see how to achieve the look, then keep watching. Also, please excuse my wild child hair look because I haven't blow dried it. I'm just trying to save my hair from all the extra abuse. As it is, I've colored my hair and it's abuse enough, so because I'm at home and I don't want to further abuse my hair, so I haven't blow dried it, hence the whole wild hair look. But that's my hair, can't help it. So let's get down to it. So I've already prepped my skin. I've used a moisturizer, I've used a primer, I've moisturized my lips, and I've used an eye cream. I will list all the products on my website, and I'll post the link to my website in the description box. You can check it out. Now let's get to the base. Now for Jennifer, I actually used MAC foundations, but unfortunately I can't find the foundations right now, so I'm going to be working with NARS foundations for myself. So in NARS, I will be using two shades. One is medium dark 2 Tahoe and the other one is medium 1 Punjab. So these are the two shades. As you can see, this is slightly darker, this is slightly lighter. I'm going to mix these two shades. But before that, I am going to be color correcting. So I am using this Pro Concealer palette in the shade medium deep. These are the shades. I basically mix these and neutralize the skin tone. Generally it oxidizes and it gets a bit deeper than what your actual complexion would be, so I would suggest, if you're using NARS foundations, and these are the all day luminous weightless foundations, go slightly lighter because it will oxidize and get slightly darker than the shade that you've already applied. So you need to give them a nice shake. One pump of the darker one and one pump of the lighter one. Mix these two. Mix your foundations in small batches. Don't waste your products. Now once we're done with this, we will powder our face. For this I use the Halo Yellow Color Correcting Hydrating Powder by Smashbox. Set the brows, and I'm using the MAC Clear Brow Set. For Jennifer, I do not remember which eyeshadow palette did I use because I created that look some 4 years back and my memory is kind of giving me a hard time. So for this purpose, I'm going to be using the Natasha Denona palette, and because it has all neutral shades, I'm going to be using this palette. First I'm using the shade Monroe, which is this color. I'm basically covering the whole eyelid, concentrating the color mostly under the brow bone. Using this shade called Freckle. Go into the crease. Some depth. Camera closer so that it's visible for you guys. Alright, so hopefully this is clearer for you guys. Next up, I will go with this shade called Cocoa. Deposit it into the corners. We'll go into the crease again. Like a smaller blending brush, and now I'm going to be using this shade called Pasha, and I think I'll probably mix it with Seed. this shade called Shine, and I'm using a flat shading brush, depositing the color. I'm using this pencil called Teddy, which is like a brown shade, and lining the upper lash line and the lower lash line. It doesn't have to be perfect because we will be blending this out. Pencil brush, just diffusing it. Curl your lashes and apply some mascara. We did not use a black kajal, we used a skin colored kajal. This is by Chanel, shade number 69, and this goes into the waterline. Now before we move on to the brows, I will be applying a cream blush. This is Just for Fun by MAC on the apples of my cheeks. Same product on the lips. For the brows, I used Mystery Eyeshadow by MAC to fill in her brows, and that's what I'm doing here. Now before we move on to the next step, we will be doing our lashes. I'm using Euro Paris lashes number 54. That's what I used for her as well. Just hope this happens without me getting miserable about this. Oh, come on. Poke myself in the eye. Come on, stick. No. Don't stick to my finger. Oh, behave. I think it's fine. Okay. Now the other side. I absolutely hate doing lashes on myself. Is it done? Yay, it's done! Finally, oh god, what a task. Okay, I'm taking some black eyeshadow and depositing it on top of the fake lashes. Carbon by MAC. You can take any other black eyeshadow. That kind of reiterates the lash line. Move on to highlighting and contour. I'm using this shade by LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Beautiful Bronze and using it to contour my face. I used the LA Pro Girl Concealer in the shade Beautiful Beige, but that's too light for me, so I am going to use MAC NC35 Concealer for myself. Set this with some Select Sheer Press Powder in the shade NC30 and NC55. Dior highlighter in the shade 001. Blush, I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chic in the shade Ecstasy mixed with this Girl Now bronzer in the shade 05. I'm going to be mixing these two and applying it as a blush. Now the idea is basically to apply the blush in circular motions, starting from the apples of the cheeks to moving upward. I use Chicory lip liner by MAC. Center. My all-time favorite lipstick, and a Sexy. Last but not the least, use a lip gloss. I am using the NARS Bellini. You can use the neutral shade or a clear lip gloss. Finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video and this tutorial. I tried my best to recreate the look. I know I don't look half as good as Jennifer does, but I tried my best to recreate the look, and this is what it is. Jennifer loves neutral looks, neutral colors, and so do I, and so this is what we kind of went ahead with. All the products will be listed on my website, and the link to my website will be in the description box. You can go check it out, and I will post the links to all the other social media that I'm on. You can go follow me there as well. I would really appreciate that. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, and I will see you guys very soon with another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.